And this is the real estate office where you get your deed signed. This is where you get all your deeds. And sometimes you can hang out here in the tea shop and wait for your appointment. So this is where anytime you buy a house, you would come to this office. And then they give you the time and you have to wait for a SMS message that comes to your phone number. Ahmed is there. Let's say hi to Ahmed.
Canlı yayındayız. Gidiyoruz aşağı doğru.
How are you?
Mustafa's
He's
friend.
our friend.
Hey.
Hey, good
How you
afternoon.
been? Long time no see.
Yeah, where are you?
We're here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. We're
Okay.
doing
So
good.
tired.
Where are you working right now?
I'm working in one of the real estate company.
Oh, which one?
Luxus House.
Do we know that one?
Lüksüz
Yeah, you
house.
know that.
Yeah.
we
Dedim
have a different project. It will be ready and then we're gonna make a
Do you have any nice sea view villa that I can film?
Definitely. We have 5 luxury villas and 39 different separate villas
Oh.
in Davutlar. And
let's
so
go make some video sometime.
Can we make a video sometime?
You let us know when you're free. We go.
Yeah, we will keep in touch.
Okay.
It will be nice for us.
We want some interesting
Thank
house to make video.
That's
Yeah.
very nice. Let's do that.
Alright, Ahmet. See you next
Bye.
time.
Bye-bye.
Take
Kolay
care.
gelsin.
Will be interesting, eh?
Yeah, I would like, especially sea view villas. I would like to see what they look like and to know the prices. For sure, many of our fans are curious how much it would cost. For
I
them-
am curious myself.
yeah, for them to settle down here. Wow, the street looks so different right now.
Wow, they put the beton here, you see?
Yeah, and it's like something's gone. Trees are gone in the middle, or something. It became so big. Like. Very interesting, everything. So here we didn't finish yet. So we are right next to Anatolia Restaurant. If you know this one, and in front of it is the Sean's Irish Pub, and they are both closed right now. And it's just like
Yeah, from
construction
that point,
everywhere.
didn't finish yet, and they're gonna finish. It's gonna be awesome, baby. Very nice.
Yeah. It's taking a while, but actually they're working really, really fast comparing to anything else that I've seen. And this is a local tea shop. Only locals are around right now.
It looks
Helen.
like Deja Vu is open, baby.
Careful, cars coming, sweetheart.
Deja Vu is open. Let's show them the Deja Vu.
Okay, let's go say hi. What was Deja Vu's owner's name?
Ibrahim.
Oh,
Ibo.
Ibo, yeah.
My memory sucks, but I remember.
I know. I was hoping somebody in the comments will tell us. Okay, let's go say hi to Ibo. If you know Ibo, put a comment.
Look, baby.
Ooh.
I hope I don't get cat shit.
I hope you don't get glass on
You know, this is the
cement.
granite, pieces of granite, you know, the filling between the tile.
Oh, interesting.
Granite powder.
Wow, these are huge bags. How much they should weigh, I don't know. That's crazy.
You know, this here, they put up.
Ah, yeah, in between the tiles. Okay, makes sense.
Let's see Ibo.
Let's see Ibo. Let me show the mosque a little bit. So this is the mosque area right in front of Deja Vu. And it's very nice to sit around here and hear the prayer. This is kind of like the middle of the hustle of the city. Again, renovating. They keep renovating all of them, always. Work is going. And here is Deja Vu, so you see this little street.
Merhaba. İbrahim yok galiba.
Ibo is not there
He's
today.
not here. İrlanda'da değildir, buradadır zaten değil mi? Buralarda, adada. İbo. Ha, aşağıda mı? He's not here.
Okay, Deja Vu. If you know Deja Vu, put a like.
They have some tables. you know.
Let me show the mosque a little more. It's beautiful mosque here.
I got very thirsty.
Let's buy a water. Or
And
do you
then-
want tea or coffee?
Coffee, my God.
So where are you gonna drink your coffee? Where's your?
I will go this, you know, the Şükufe.
But we have to come back for our pide.
I will come back later before I pick you up.
Ah, okay.
Something like that. While you are doing your teeth, I will go pick up.
Okay.
Until I come, you will be.
And now we are coming to Gürmar area. Belinda says really hope to get to Kuşadası this year.
My mother and brother there.
Oh, let's go say hi. Mustafa's mom and
They are
his
resting,
brother.
I think, after bazaar.
Are they maybe waiting for taxi?
Taksi mi bekliyorsunuz?
Merhabalar.
Pazara mı gittiniz?
Nasılsınız? Ah, they went to
Look,
bazaar.
they went to
that's why.
bazaar. They got flowers.
Ah, with,
Ha,
the,
markete gitmişler daha doğrusu.
with the market basket.
Ha.
Çiçek aldık.
Flowers she got for the garden.
Oh, nice.
For spring.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Oh, that very
Oh,
nice.
it's very nice.
Velvet.
Aha. Balkona için mi?
Evet.
Aha. Çok güzel. This is Turkish lesson for you. Çok güzel. That is
Çok
very
güzel,
nice.
very nice. Yeah.
Çok güzel.
Very good.
Yeah.
Nice or good? I don't know. Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Mısık çay içtin mi?
Görüşürüz sonra.
Bye bye. Look, very beautiful this garden that they take care behind. The government has taken care. And we are walking here next to Gürmar. You see nice shoe shops. Actually, but the best shoe shop was in that valley next to Deja Vu. If you go inside the mall, that's like where the best shoe shop is. This is where the locals Merhabalar. Wow, so this is very nice. Mr. Moon's place. Many of you know Mr. Moon's.
In that video, I don't know how they hear us.
Do you hear us well? I hear us. Gürmar. Was there this restaurant always here? This one?
Yes, yes. Orchide Cafe. Good price. The beer is very good price here.
Yeah.
Foreigners come here for good beer.